Y'all out here paying $12 for a sandwich I just made from scratch. And I pulled up to Chick-fil-A the other day, right? Ordered me a deluxe meal and came out to almost $15. I said, hold on, for a sandwich, fries, and a drink that don't even be full. Growing up, we was not eating fast food like that, babe. We had figured out meals, if you know what I'm talking about. First off, I soaked my chicken in pickle juice after cleaning it for a few hours. First thing first, let me tell y'all what they're not telling you. Why was my chicken sitting in pickle juice? Because that's the secret right here. That pickle juice breaks the chicken down so it don't come out dry, sadly, like somebody auntie overcooked it. And it's seasoned from the inside, so when you bite it, it's all juicy all the way through, not just on the outside fake. That's why fast food tastes different. They just don't tell y'all that. Then I add a little water in there just to balance it so it won't be too strong. But be sure to let it sit. Don't rush it. Good food don't come from being impatient. Then I be sure to beat it like I'm beating on my baby daddy. As y'all see, baby, it's gonna get real tender. Throw it in the bag like how your mama used to throw that fried chicken in the bag. Y'all remember that? Now this flour mix that we about to create, this is where people mess up. The flour ain't just flour, baby. This is what builds your crust. I added powdered sugar in mine, but don't look at me crazy. That is one of the secrets. That's what gives it that golden color and slightly crisp. Like when you bite it and you got that little crunch sound, yeah, that. The paprika is going to be for the color. The salt is going to be for the flavor, obviously, and the peppers for that little kick. The garlic powder because we not cooking bland over here. If your food don't got seasoning, just say that. Then we're going to be sure to egg wash it. See, this egg wash that I'm about to create, this ain't just egg and milk. This is the glue. This is what makes your seasoning stick. So when you cook it, it don't just fall apart. I like to go ahead and put my chicken first in the flour, then put it in the egg wash, then put it back into the flour. It's gonna come out coated and perfect every time. You want it coated, but you don't want it drowning. If it's too wet, your crust is gonna slide off, and if it's too dry, nothing's going to stick. Without this, your coating is gonna slide off like a bad wig. Now we're not gonna deep fry nothing today. We're going to be doing this the smart way and the healthy way. I love to use my air fryer. I like to work smarter and not harder. But before you put it in the air fryer, you want to make sure that you spray it down slightly so your chicken don't stick. It will come out golden, crispy, and I don't have to waste no oil. Now it's time to go ahead and build our sandwich. As y'all can see, I'm using homemade hamburger bun, fresh and fluffy, baby. Then I'm gonna be sure to add my homemade copycat Chick-fil-A sauce. Yes, I got a video on that along with the bun. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put my chicken on there. Then go ahead and put that cheese on there. You can melt the cheese, but I didn't want to do all that. I'm gonna go ahead and put some lettuce. Then I'm gonna go ahead and grab some tomatoes. And of course, I gotta use what I got in my house. I got these little cucumbers, but I sliced them up to little pickles. You can't go wrong without the pickles. It ain't a Chick-fil-A sandwich without the pickles. Like, if you wanted Chick-fil-A, we was finna be Chick-fil-A growing up. It was considered a luxury to me versus McDonald's. I'm not gonna lie, it tastes better than drive-thru, and it hit different when you know you made it yourself. Everything just getting so expensive, but that don't mean we gotta stop eating good. If you trying to save money and still eat like this, comment chicken so I know who really locked in. If you want the exact measurements, the full recipe card is on my website for just $3. Baby, I promise you this gonna be the best Chick-fil-A sandwich you ever had. Be sure to save this video and also send this to somebody who's spending $50 a week on Chick-fil-A, because baby, if you know you like me, I love Chick-fil-A and so do my child.